Okay, so I made snowflakes. Yeah, they're so pretty, and I hung them up all over. And then I made a little tiny snowflakes for my door. There's some in the bathroom. And they're all around the ceiling. There's Jeepers. Jeepers. Oh, you really can't see that, can you? There we go. Home. Play.
I'm the only one who truly understands you.
I think this one's my favorite. Birdie. I like that one a lot too. Yeah, that one's so pretty. Yeah, there's 61 of them total. And there's Buddy. Buddy's eating a bone on the floor. Right, Buddy. Buddy! There's bones like everywhere. So we do. Welcome to the vlog. But yeah. I don't know, my room's a mess. I don't know where Ginger Cat went. And I made a blanket for Adam. So it's a Merry Early Christmas. Because this way maybe I can have my ducky blanket once in a while. Some water. Yeah. There's Ginger Cat. Hey, Ginger Cat. Do you like the snowflakes? Do you like the snowflakes? Huh? You guys watching the strength in the camera. She's so cute. But her nose is dirty. Okay. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. There's Buddy. There's Buddy. Is he a good boy? Is he a good boy, buddy? And Jeepers come to say hello too. Hi, Jeepers. Jeepers and Buddy and Ginger. Okay. We can go now. Bye-bye, Jeepers. Bye-bye, Jeepers. Wave out with your tail.